Welcome to Regular Stella. Today we'll look at Canada's elections. First, we will look at Justin Trudeau's birth chart, and this birth timing is what I found on the internet. 25th December 1971, birth time 9:27 p.m. Okay, first of all, let us look at Virgo, rising at Virgo. Virgo ruler planet is Mercury. Mercury in first house in Sagittarius. I believe he received good education when he was young. Mercury trine Moon, Moon in Aries, 8th house. I think the family loves him a lot. That's why he received good education, and there is a Jupiter giving him the blessing at the same sign. Next, let's look at Mercury. Mercury square Uranus. I believe he gives people a good impression that he's very creative and innovative. Next, let's look at Capricorn. Sun in Capricorn. The ruler of Capricorn is Saturn. Saturn in Gemini, 10th house, which is the ruler of Mercury. Saturn and Mercury are good friends, and I can see a big trine here and a kite, the shape of a kite. It looks like he's a trained politician, or he's born to become a politician. It's a good chart to become a politician. Okay, let's look at Sun. Sun square Mars. Mars in Pisces. There are times where he can be lost. He doesn't have a right direction where he should move on in life. And this Sun square Pluto, which means there are times where he faces transformation. He needs to learn how to break through certain difficulties, or he needs to find another road. And we look at Moon. Moon in Aries. Aries ruler planet is Mars. Mars opposite Pluto. Yeah, there are times where he faces difficulties in making changes in life. It's almost like lost his life directions. Moon opposite Uranus. He will also come across things that are there's a certain downfall, a sudden change in life. It can mean that he suddenly win something, but one day he lost everything. Okay, in this transit, I see the transit Mars opposite his Mars. It just shows that he has difficult election on that day. Strong competitors. The opposition can be quite strong, and we are coming towards the Aquarius age. There is no Aquarius planet in his birth chart giving him any help. Now we look at Erin's chart. Okay, I made a solar chart for Erin. Okay, the birth date 22nd January 1973. That's what I found on internet. However, I do not have Erin's birth chart, birth timing. So I made a solar chart. Here we go, the solar chart. His sun in Aquarius, ruler of Aquarius, Saturn. Saturn in Gemini, opposite Mars in Sagittarius. I believe there is some knowledge which Erin wants to bring it out, but whenever he tries to bring it out, this energy was being blocked by the Saturn. And this Saturn square the moon here. I think, if I'm not wrong, Erin likes to keep his feelings. So we have this moon in Virgo. I can see a big square here. Probably Erin has a bad childhood. One of his parents was aggressive, or he himself is actually aggressive. Moon in Virgo, ruler of Virgo, it's Mercury in Capricorn. I'm sure he has something to share with people, and this Mercury conjunct Jupiter, he's blessed that I'm sure there are people who are willing to listen to him whenever he wants to share some information. But this Mercury square Uranus, I believe he is the type which is rebellious, can be quite rebellious, and he changed his mind anytime. So we have this sun in Aquarius, the sun 6th house Neptune. The first impression that this politician gives the people is he's a compassionate person. Yeah, but sometimes it depends on how the politician moves on. People will start to see whether he's a nice person or not. Yeah, over time, you can tell. The sun trine Pluto, I'm sure he can transform things easily, especially when the sun is in Aquarius. We are now in Aquarius age. The universe starts to give this politician Erin certain kind of hope. The Pluto, it's actually giving this planet the blessing, and we have Mercury conjunct Uranus, which is also giving him the blessing. People willing to listen to this politician. On the election day, the opening time, the moon and Neptune will be 21 degrees at Pisces together. So this planet's here, 6th house Jupiter, giving Jupiter the blessing, and a bit square the Mars. It seems like Erin has a better transit compared to Justin. But the Mars here, it's giving the Pluto some stress.